Binigyang pugay sa People to Watch 2024 ang mga itinuturing na rising tigers na may malaking kontribusyon sa pagbabago sa lipunan. Gayon din ang mga leader na nagtataguyod ng magandang ugnayan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at ibang bansa. Alamin kung sino-sino ang mga personalidad na ito sa report ni Mark De La Rosa.
Ipinakilala na ng Rising Tigers Organization ang mga leader na maituturing na People to Watch ngayong taon. Sila ang mga individual na may malaking kontribusyon sa paglilingkod at makapagdulot ng makabuluhang pagbabago para sa lipunan.
We're celebrating the movers and shakers of our different industries, whether private sector or government. Everyone is here tonight to celebrate some people who are making a difference in the Philippines today.
Sa selebrasyong ito, iginawad ang mataas na pagkilala kay BIR Commissioner Attorney Romeo Lumage Jr. bilang Person of the Year.
I'd like to thank the Rising Tigers for the recognition of Person of the Year. It's really honoring. You know, I can truly say that all the accomplishments, everything that I've done and everything that I will continue to do for BIR and for our country is really a result of a sincere belief and honest opinion that our President really would like our country to move forward and be great.
Kinilala rin ng ilang individual sa serbisyo publiko at pribadong sektor na nagpamalas ng husay at malasakit sa kanilang pamumuno.
It feels very gratifying. Although, when I go to work, hindi ko naman iniisip na ma-recognize bilang isang rising tiger. But of course, it's really, I guess, an honor and a privilege. It's about knowing your role, doing the best that you can do, and hopefully inspiring and motivating others to do the same thing.
Kasi yung nature ng business namin is makatulong sa tao, makapagbigay ng negosyo din. Isa din yung nakapag-provide kami ng work sa mga tao, hindi lang sa family, yung lalo sa ibang mga kabataan na bagong graduate ng school, yan, number one.
Well, I am deeply honored and flattered to receive this great award, but I look at it as an opportunity for me to be a bridge between the Department of Foreign Affairs, where I work, with whom I work with, and the community of that Rising Tigers reaches out to both in the Philippines and globally. And I think very much we can work hand in hand to promote Philippine diplomacy.
Binigyang pugay din sa People to Watch 2024 ang mga leader na nagtataguyod ng magandang ugnayan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at ibang bansa at mapalakas ang pagkakaisa nito sa gitna ng iba't ibang kultura.
Mabuhay! Maraming salamat for the Rising Tigers and the Nation Builders. Thank you very much for this wonderful award which I received tonight. But I would like to say that this award is going to my wonderful team also at the Embassy of Hungary, because recently we celebrated the 50 years anniversary of our diplomatic relations between Hungary and the Philippines.
To be included as one of them to watch is a great honor for me, because what we are trying to do is for the betterment of the Philippines, for the betterment of our country, and I take it as a recognition of the potential that we have between Turkey and the Philippines, instead of just a personal recognition. So it's a double honor for me.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.